Hi, I am Jen30 and in this video I will be installing a module and using it. So the module I chose is a geolocation field module. Geolocation field provides a field type to store geographical locations as pairs of latitude and longitude, as well as the necessary integration to display those locations through views, fields, and using a number of different map providers. I like to use geolocation field module, and it's very useful for the people who see our website. So let's get started. So first, I will be going to Drupal.org. In the modules, I will search for geolocation. So here, I will click on this geolocation field. Since I'm using the Drupal 8 version, so I will just click on the start.gz file and it will start downloading. Once it gets installed, I'll go to extend, install new module, choose file. So in my downloads, this geolocation, I'll just open it and install. So geolocation is already installed. I'll go to extend. I'll search for geolocation. Yes, so geolocation is installed. So from here, I will just install this Google Maps API and Google Maps API this, not just demo, this Google Places, and I will just install them. So four modules have been enabled: geolocation, geolocation demo, geolocation, Google Maps API, and Google Places API. So now I will go to structure, content types, and in the geolocation demo default article, I will just manage fields. Here I go to manage display, and here I will just change it to geolocation formatter, and I will save it. So now I will go to content, add content. So here I will click on geolocation demo. I will give it a title, geolocation field. So these are the default latitudes and longitudes values. I can change it from here. So I will add 28 and 77. These are the latitudes and longitudinal values of Delhi. So from here, I will just save it. So, so here you can see the map is come here. So, and it has a marker also, and the location of Delhi has been marked here. So this is how a geolocation map can be inserted in a website. I hope you like the video. Thank you.